Hi guys, it's me Amar Thakur and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the basic budget Barbie doll. It is the latest budget Barbie dolls, which looks like this. And it's been a while that I unboxed a video, so I'm really sorry for that. I was having a little bit issue with Amazon, so that's why it got late. So I'm really sorry for that. But today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this basic budget Barbie doll. And if you are interested to know the depth and detailed review about this pretty beautiful Barbie doll right here, so please continue watching. So guys, now let's unbox this, but before unboxing, this is the outer packaging of this doll. This is how she looks like inside the box. She looks really pretty, and here it is written 3+, and this is Barbie, and here are the 4 dolls from this line. So I'm going to be unboxing this one today for you all, and its price at Indian price rupees 499. I got it from Hemleys nearby my house, so I bought it from the stores, so I have to pay exact 499 rupees, and it is imported at year 2019. So it is older than that heart print dress Barbie, so I'll be talking about in a minute about that. But now let's unbox. So it's very easy to unbox from here. So you put your finger over here and slightly just unbox this. And there she comes. She comes really easily, but this is how the outer box looks like. It has the green color and ombre effect going on. Green, it is slightly turning towards purple and slightly turning towards the darker purple and pink, so it has the ombre effect. So the box is not that attractive, so anyways, so it's very basic, but the box is really sturdy, so I bought it from the store. So now this is how she looks out of the box. She's really pretty. Actually, there were only 3 dolls left in the stock. Each one was looking very different from each other. You won't believe that, but you know, some doll was having smaller eyes, or some doll was having the little volume. So I literally checked 1 and 2 dolls really carefully, and then I've selected this doll. So this is how she looks. She is packed with this rubber band, as we all know. She is wrapped with this transparent rubber bands. Also, she's packed with this transparent rubber bands on footwear. And guys, please ignore the background noise, because you know the construction work is going on, but you know, I don't know when this construction work will stop, so I'm sorry for that. So please excuse me for that. So ignore the background noise. So I'm now going to be removing this rubbers. Guys, these are the 2019, means 2019 means almost 2020 doll. But let me tell you, this heart print dress doll is latest from this doll. So this price rupees 399. So that means that, you know, Barbie doll, the metal has decreased the price of the basic budget Barbie doll, so which is a good thing. So basic budget Barbie is used to come in 499, but I guess now it is available at 399. Guys, I want to tell you that, you know, this doll is most similar to this line in dolls, you know, which came in floral dress, the older one. So I think she has the basic that kind of dress she's wearing. So I feel that, you know, this doll might be from this line, extended from this line, because the dress is somewhat really similar. Can you see the pattern of the dress is quite similar with this floral color dress basic budget Barbie. So anyways, this is the older one. So let's talk about this doll now. So guys, this is how she looks. Let's talk about the face. She has a very beautiful face. As I told you, you know, in the stores, it was the faces was quite different. Some might was having a little smaller eyes, and some might have the pixelated eyes, and some doll was having less volume. So I have selected very carefully. So this is how she looks close up. She has the blue eyes. Her eyes are very slightly pixelated, but not too much. It is acceptable. So this is her eyes are not that pixelated. I hope the camera is catching. So her eyes are not that pixelated, and she's wearing the peach coral lipstick. It's not pink at all, it's matching to her attire. It's a peach color lipstick, true peach color. Peach is a peach and coral undertones, slightly orangish peach lipstick, and she is having the brown eyebrows and with smiley mouth, open mouth, and her eyes are blue in color, so she is a classic Barbie. And she has a golden hair. She is having the wheatish skin tone and medium skin tone. So now let's talk about the volume of the hair. Her hair is a medium length, as you can see, and volume is good because, as I told you, I have chosen very carefully because I have bought it from the store. So which is advantage of when you buy from the stores, you can just feel and see and you can select. So unlike online, you have to accept it what you get it. So anyways, so her volume of the hair is good. I must say this is good for the price. So now let's talk about the dress. She comes with this basic one-piece dress. It has no velcro whatsoever, and this is a peach orange sort of a color. I mean peach coral orange sort of a color, pastel colors, and this has a lavender purplish feather prints and floral prints all over on her dress, and there is no velcro at the back, so that is a drawback. I don't know why the Barbie should supposed to come up with the velcros, even it's a basic. So anyways, so her dress is pretty. I kind of like it. As I told you, it is looking similar to this the older version of the basic budget. So please let me know in the comments, do you feel that it's a similar or not? But I feel that it's similar pattern, I mean to say, not design. And it has this stitching outline all over, and so you can see here it is stitching outline with white stitching all over here and here, and here it is written Barbie logo. So that's about the dress. It's basic, it's not that great, but it's not that bad either, so it's okay. And anyways, you need to pull this dress to get rid of this dress. And she has the basic 5 points of articulation on her hand can go out, which is a good thing. Unlike this range came, her hand doesn't go out, so I think this is thumbs up. Barbie has improved their Barbie's articulation. In basic budget now the hands goes out, which is a good thing because I really don't like Barbie's hand doesn't go out. I don't like to play with like that Barbies. So I'm glad that they have given this hand outside. So these are the 5 points of articulation at the hand, at the hip, and at the head. Head can go up and down, left and right, goes out, back and forth, and so 5 points of articulation. So now let's talk about the footwear. I'm really thankful that they have given the heel fades and they have given this teal green colors footwear. Is the heart print dress which was having the same white color footwear in all the ranges. So I'm glad that in this range they have given the different dolls in different color footwear. I'll post the pictures also on the screen. So every doll has a different color footwear, unlike the heart print dress. So they were having the same footwear on the end, all the Barbies. So that was really not appreciated. So I'm appreciated this time that they have given different dolls with different colors on this. So she is having this teal green color footwear with heels. So but I want to say the footwear are very loose, see, so which is really disappointing. I am not liking the footwear's fitness. It is not fitting that much. It's very flimsy and loose. Truly it is not fitting at all. So this is how the closer look of this footwear. I really like the color. These are the platform heels. Anyways, that's about it. It's not much to say about this doll. For rupees 499 this Barbie doll is worth it. I recommend it. But now I'm glad that basic budget Barbie is available in 399 because this is the older version and the heart print dress is the latest version. So I guess that Barbie has decreased the price of the basic budget from 499 to 399, so that is a good thing. But this Barbie doll I have got it at rupees 499 from Hemleys. So that's it. But before wrapping the video, this is the final look. This is the final look of this Barbie. She's really pretty, has the real coral brush. She has the blusher which is invisible on the camera, but in person it is reflecting a peach blush which is slightly visible, very natural. So I really like the face of this Barbie, and it has the 2013 metal head, 2013 head sculpt. So this is the final look. Beautiful Barbie, beautiful doll, very pretty and beautiful, gorgeous guys. Highly recommend it. So guys, that's it for my today's review and unboxing. I hope that this review and unboxing was a little bit helpful for you all, and if you enjoy doll related videos, please take a moment and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me, and I'm really thankful for you all your comments and the love and affection you're giving. So it means a lot to me, and keep smiling like this, keep supporting, stay happy, stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video very soon, hopefully. So till then, take best care of yourself, enjoy your hobby, and love you so much.